what is human resource? Human resource is used to describe both the people who work for a company or organization and the department responsible for managing resources related to employees. Come, let us know about human resource management. Human resource management. Human resource management or HRM is the practice of managing people to achieve better performance. For example, if you hire people into a business, you are looking for the people who fit the company culture, as they will be happier, stay longer, and be more productive than the people who won't fit into the company culture. Let's go to next page and understand human resource management in a better way. Human resource management involves developing and administrating programs that are designed to increase the effectiveness of an organization or business. It includes the entire spectrum of creating, managing, and culturing the employer-employee relationship. For most organizations, agencies, and businesses, the human resource department is responsible for managing job recruitment, selection, and promotion, developing and overseeing employee benefits and wellness program, developing, promoting, and enforcing personnel policies, promoting employee career development and job training, providing orientation program for new hires, providing guidance regarding disciplinary actions, serving a primary contact for worksite injuries and accidents. Due to the many areas of human resource management, it is typical for professionals in this field to possess specific expertise in one or more area. Just a few of related career titles for HR professional include HR manager, recruiter, human resource journalist, training and development manager. Let's know about HR manager. HR manager. Human resource managers are involved with recruitment, training, career development, compensation and benefits, employee relation, industrial relation, employment law, compliance, disciplinary and grievance issues, redundancies, etc. The job involves keeping up to date with areas such as employment laws, which change often. HR generalist roles are usually found in small and medium-sized companies, where HR manager will deal with the whole range of HR activities. In large multinationals, you will often find specialists, for example, for learning and development, recruitment, or employee relations. Let's know about recruitment. What is recruitment? Recruitment refers to the process of identifying, attracting, interviewing, selecting, hiring, and onboarding employees. In other words, it involves everything from the identification of a staffing need to filling it. Depending on the size of an organization, recruitment is responsible for a range of workers. Larger organizations may have an entire team of recruiters, while others only a single recruiter. In small outfits, the hiring manager may be responsible for recruiting. In other maybe organizations outsource recruiting to outside firms. Companies almost always recruit candidates for new positions by advertisements, job boards, social media sites, and others. Many companies utilize recruiting software to more effectively and efficiently source top candidates. Regardless, recruitment typically works in conjunction with or as a part of human resources, sourcing candidates, conducting screening interviews, administrative work regarding scheduling interviews with a hiring team, putting together an employment offer, guiding the salary negotiations, conduct a background check, managing the employee onboarding process, complying with all relevant laws regarding reporting and records retention, serving as an advisor to hiring managers, Work with immigration for visas for foreign hires. Okay, let's now know about HR journalist. HR journalist. An HR journalist is usually the first hire any company makes. As the job title suggests, this is a person with a broad range of responsibilities instead of a specialized line of work. The HR journalist does cover most of the HR functions including hiring, compensation and benefits, HR administration and other tasks. Okay, so let's now cover our last topic, which is training and development manager. Training and development manager. Training and development is a structured program with different methods designed by professionals in particular job. It has become most common and continuous task in any organization for updating skill and knowledge of employees in accordance with changing environment. Optimization of cost with available resource has become pressing need for every organization, which will be possible only by way of improving efficiency and productivity of employees. Possible only by way of providing proper employee training and development conditions to that it should be provided by professionals. As I told you guys, this is our last video. In next video you will know how to become a freelance recruiter without spending a single penny. With monthly income of minimum 35 to 40,000, you can create your own company without spending a single penny. Only you have to work with efficiency. Thank you and see you in the next video.